Hello beautiful people, welcome back to this channel once again. On today's video we are going to be driving through Ndiowu Ndikelionwu, Omogho and Ufuma, and these towns are all in Orumba North local government area. So if you are from any of these towns, please bring the chairs, bring your tables, sit around and let's point out your village. Let us know which of these villages or which of these towns you are from, and let's point out our markets. Yes, show us your markets, show us your house in case we pass through your house, show us your schools, show us your church, and wherever it is that you think you are familiar with around these areas. So come with us as we drive through Ndiowu Ndikelionwu, Omogho, Ufuma towns, all in Orumba North local government area. So don't forget to show us your streets. Yes, maybe if you see the road to your house, or maybe you see your house, or you see your town's market, or your church in your town, or maybe your street, or anywhere you can probably recognize that you are really familiar with. Please come over to the comment section and let us know which place or which town you are from. And for clarity's sake, we are just driving by these towns. We are not entering any of these towns, so it's a drive through. Okay, we are just driving by these towns, so in case your house is around the roadside, or your school, or your town market, or your church, or any place you can recognize, let us know about that on the comment section. So come with us as we go through these various towns in Orumba North. Don't forget to let us know if you happen to see your house along the road, or your town market, or anywhere that you're really familiar with. Okay, so let's go there, guys. So guys, this is Ufuma town in Orumba North. So from this town, if you take the left exit from around this area, you'll be heading straight into Enugu State, Nigeria. Yes, if you take this exit, you'll be heading to Enugu State, Nigeria. And the road was newly constructed and rehabilitated by the Anambra State government. So the road is very good and tarred, like it's a very nice and smooth road. Yes, when you use that road, you will really enjoy the trip. It's a very nice and very conducive road. That's the road that leads to Enugu State from Ufuma. So instead of going through Awka, it's preferable you go through Ufuma, and it's even closer, very close to Enugu State from that particular exit. So we are still in Ufuma town. Don't forget to let us know in case you see your school or your town market or even your house along this road. Don't hesitate to let us know in the comment section. Okay, and if you pass through any place that you are familiar with around these areas, please let us know on the comment section. This is Operation Spot Your House, Spot Your Market, Spot Your School, Spot Your Village, Spot Your Street, spot anywhere you are familiar with. All right, so stick with us on this video, guys. We are still on this together. Okay guys, if you have watched up to this point, thank you so very much for your time and your effort. And also, if you have not subscribed to this channel already, please do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, share and like this post. Also, don't forget to click on the notice bell down below so that whenever we post a video, you will be the first to get to know about it. Remain blessed and bye for now. See you on our next epic video coming your way.